Hello everyone, this is our 1986 Porsche 930 with 46,000 documented and original miles, spotless Carfax, service records, everything. It's finished in Guards Red over cashmere or champagne with sport seats. The car is all original, unmodified, ideal to go to all the states. The condition of the car is really outstanding. It's top quality car. It's just beautiful. The paint all around is immaculate. The all original glass still there. It's got the 16-inch turbo forks over factory approved Sumitomos, and the car just is a traffic stopper. From any angle looks really impeccable. There's very little details on the paint because of age. The interior, it's deviating in cashmere with black carpeting. It's got 46,000 miles. The dash looks amazing as well. Has substantial records, owner's manuals. Every single year has been documented and put in a 3-inch binder, which adds to the value of this beautiful car. We have the delivery date in September of '86 in Cincinnati, and it's been kept by a meticulous collector owner that always wanted to have his car impeccable. The car fires right up. No issues. Air conditioning works, and the glass is absolutely spotless. I hope you enjoy it, and that the next caregiver is gonna continue the heritage of this beautiful car. Thank you for watching. If you have any more questions, my number is 305-443-7626. And you can follow us at RMC Miami on Instagram, or look on our website, rmcmiami.com. Thank you for watching.